Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We're going to compare two dash cams that offer all-round protection and amazing features. On the left, we have the Galphi 3-channel dash cam, and on the right, we have the G-Pop dash cam. Let's dive right into it. When it comes to video quality, both dash cams offer impressive resolutions. The Galphi dash cam records in 1080p for the front and rear cameras, along with 720p for the cabin inside. On the other hand, the G-Pop dash cam takes it a step further with a real 4K resolution for the front camera and 1080p for the rear and inside cameras. It's like watching a Hollywood movie. So if you're a stickler for crystal clear footage, the G-Pop dash cam definitely takes the lead here. Now let's talk about the field of view. The Galphi dash cam offers a 165 degrees front camera, 160 degrees cabin inside camera, and 160 degrees rear camera. That's quite impressive, covering all angles of your car. However, the G-Pop dash cam gives you a wider perspective with a 170 degrees front camera and a 160 degrees rear camera. It's like having eyes in the back of your head. So if you want that extra wide-angle coverage, the G-Pop dash cam is the way to go. Driving at night can be challenging, but these dash cams have got you covered. The Galphi dash cam comes with a f1.8 aperture and WDR technology, ensuring excellent clarity even in low-light conditions. Plus, it has 4 infrared lights that illuminate the cabin, making it perfect for rideshare drivers. On the other hand, the G-Pop dash cam also offers crystal clear night vision with its advanced sensor and HDR function. It's like having night vision goggles for your car. So both dash cams excel in night vision, making them perfect for those late-night drives. Now let's talk about some additional features that make these dash cams stand out. The Galphi dash cam has a built-in gravity shock sensor that automatically saves collision footage as protected files. It also offers loop recording, which overwrites the oldest unprotected files when the SD card is full. Additionally, it has a parking monitor feature that detects collisions and starts recording automatically. On the other hand, the G-Pop dash cam also has a G sensor for accident lock, loop recording, and a 24/7 parking monitor. So both dash cams offer great additional features to ensure your safety on the road. Based on online reviews, the Galphi 3-channel dash cam is praised for its clear night vision, easy installation, and good value. On the other hand, the G-Pop dash cam is highly regarded for its excellent image and sound quality, ease of installation, and functionality. And that concludes our comparison of the Galphi 3-channel dash cam and the G-Pop dash cam. Both products have their unique strengths, so it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and needs. If you prioritize exceptional video quality and a wider field of view, the G-Pop dash cam is the winner. However, if you value a triple-channel system and excellent night vision, the Galphi dash cam is definitely a solid choice. Remember, always consider your specific requirements before making a purchase. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. And as always, stay smart and buy smart.